Now the next topic is chapter 10, that is law and social justice. Social justice. Law, they are rules and regulations framed by the government, keeping in mind the provisions of the constitution, according to the provisions of the constitution. And social justice, the fairness within the society, that is, everybody should be on a level field. If there are downtrodden people, they should be given those facilities, that they should be on the level field to match the uprising population. And this help ensure the relations between three parties: the workers, the consumers, and the producers. They should be governed, not exploited, and that will be only possible by law and social justice. Because if there will be absence of law and social justice, they will be exploited. The person who will be governing them will start exploiting them. And there is law, that's why they feel safe. There are certain provisions in DPSP, Directive Principles of State Policy, that give directions for certain laws for equal wage, fair wage, working conditions, etc. It also puts and fundamental rights. They put prohibition, like the children below the age of 14 should not be employed in factories and other hazardous activities. So it provides restrictions to employ the children. So that is also a part of social justice, and that has came from law. Now there was a case study of Bhopal gas tragedy. Took place on 2nd December 1984 by methyl isocyanate was leaked in Bhopal, and which killed several people. So today also the justice has not been done to the victims, and government was earlier warned about the unsafety measures taken by the factory, but government didn't take it into consideration, and that was violation of Article 21 of the Constitution. But government was not aware, and there was not so much awareness at that time. There was not modern facilities so that the news can be spread through the whole country. But they forgot all the norms, and that's why the tragedy happened. So now comes protecting the environment. In DPSP Article 48A, the state should take actions for the protection of the environment. The state should take actions that for the healthy, and in Article 21 also, the government should provide adequate and fair environment for their citizens. Like there are several cases, like burning of crackers was a case 2 years back in the Supreme Court, and one case was Subhash Kumar versus State of Bihar 1991. That is right, and in this judgment the Supreme Court stated that right to enjoyment of pollution free water and air, that is a right of a citizen. Pollution free water and air. So the government should make laws and procedures to check pollution of water, air, clean rivers, introduce heavy taxes who pollute them, like impose taxes on the factories, big industries. So now conclusion from this chapter is providing equitable conditions for the workers, consumers and producers, that their rights should not be violated. They should be given fairness. That is what you call social justice. Certain DPSPs, fundamental rights, protecting the environment under Article 21, and there is a DPSP to protect the environment, 48A. So this was our chapter 8. Thank you so much.